Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can use Gmail with Google Calendar for better workflow. So this is a guide to integrate Gmail with Google Calendar effectively for a smoother workflow. So first step, you need to link Gmail and Google Calendar. You can just open your Google Calendar and sign in with the same Gmail account you use for email, and automatically your emails with event details like flight confirmations, reservations will sync with calendar. And you can create events from emails in Gmail. You can just open an email containing event details in Gmails, and then you can click on the three dots menu at the top right of the email. And then just select create event, and a Google Calendar window will pop up with the event pre-filled based on the email, and adjust the details if needed and click on save. And you can also add Gmail's attachment to events. While creating an event, you can click add attachment and then select files directly from your Google Drive or Gmail. This is perfect for attaching meeting agendas and or reference documents to calendar invites. And you can also use calendar notifications in Gmail. Open Google Calendar settings by clicking on this gear icon and tap on settings. Go to the notifications settings, and then you can just enable email notifications for upcoming events or changes. And you can also leverage Gmail tasks and reminders in calendar. You can open an email and click on add to tasks. And then the task will automatically appear in your Google Calendar. And you can just set due dates and reminders for better time management. So pro tips, you can use Google Meet links. So when creating events in calendar, use the add Google Meet video conferencing options for virtual meetings. You can also use color code events, so assign colors to different event types such as work, personal, or deadlines. And you can also integrate it in the mobile app. So just install the Gmail and Google Calendar apps to stay updated on the go. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on thanks. Bye.